Hello, students. Welcome to our first virtual class. Today, we are going to talk about daily routines. Great. To start the class, we need to know some steps. Okay? So, listen. Number one, the vocabulary. In this part, you are going to learn new words. Number two, practice. So we are going to practice the vocabulary. Number three, this is the grammar part. I have a little explanation about this, about how to make a sentence or to answer questions. This is the fourth part, and here we have the activity to work or your project, no? Okay, let's continue, my friends. As I told you, here we have the vocabulary. This is number one. Okay, let's get ready to start, my friends. Look, we are going to see routines. Wow, it's 6 o'clock. Look at the picture. Wake up. Wake up. The second picture. Get up. Get up. Good. Now you are going to repeat. Wake up. Wake up. Good. Now this one, repeat after me, please. Get up. Get up. Good. Now is your turn. You're going to repeat by yourself, my friends. Ready? Okay, start. Great. Good, my friends. Let's continue. Look at this picture, my friends. What about this boy? Have a shower. Have a shower. Good. Look at the second picture. What about this girl? Clean my teeth. Clean my teeth. Great. Now repeat after me, please. Have a shower. Have a shower. Good. Another one. Clean my teeth. Clean my teeth. Great. Look, another way to say have a shower is take a shower. Another way to say clean my teeth, you can say also brush my teeth. Both are okay. But now we are going to repeat just have a shower or clean my teeth. Great, my friends. Continue. Aha, look at this picture. What about this picture? What do you think? Get dressed. Get dressed. Good. Look at this picture now. What do you think about it? Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Good. Now repeat after me, please. Get dressed. Get dressed. Another picture? Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Now is your turn. Good. Excellent, my friends. Let's continue. What about this picture? Look at this picture. Okay. Go to school. Go to school. And what about this one? Good. Have lunch. Have lunch. Now repeat after me, please. Go to school. Go to school. Good. Now this one. Have lunch. Have lunch. Excellent, my friends. Good. Now is your turn. Yes. Good. Excellent. Let's continue now. What about this one? Great. Do my homework. Do my homework. And what about this picture? Great. Go to bed. Go to bed. Look. Now repeat after me. Do my homework. Do my homework. Good. The another one. Go to bed. Go to bed. Excellent. Now, time to practice. So, what are we going to do in this part, my friends? So you are going to look at the picture, and now you are going to guess which is correct. Go to bed, wake up, or get up. What do you think? Great! Get up! Excellent, my friends. Good job. Continue. Now, what about this picture? Focus on this. And what do you think? Which is correct? Have breakfast, clean my teeth, or have lunch? What do you think? Good, my friends. You are nice kids. Great. Have breakfast. Let's continue working. But now, look at this picture again. So what about this picture? What do you think? Which is correct? Do my homework, have a shower, or go to school? What do you think? Yes, my friends, have a shower. Great. You're nice kids. Good. Let's continue. Now, this is the grammar part. What are we going to do here? Look. What do you do every day? I wake up early. I wake up early. I do my homework every day. I do my homework every day. Look, as you can see in this picture, the boy is pointing himself, right? Why? Because now we are talking about in the first person. As you can see, the letter in red means that we are talking about in the first person, right? That's the reason why you can see I here, no? I wake up early. I do my homework every day. We are talking about ourselves, no? I. Good. Let's continue working, my friends. Okay. I go to bed at night. I go to bed at night. I clean my teeth every day. I clean my teeth every day. Good. Here we have also the same letter in red because remember, we are talking about in the first person. Good. This is our last part, our friends, the activity to work. What are you going to do here? This is for you because you are going to make your product. Look, you are going to write sentences with the following routines. Get dressed, have breakfast, go to school, have lunch, do my homework, and go to bed. As you can see, you can write maybe in a piece of paper or if you want or if you prefer, and you can write them in your notebook. And which is better? You can write in your notebook. Yeah? Okay, remember, you can use this time expression for making your own sentences. Look at this example now. Look at the example. I have breakfast in the morning. Notice that in this example, I write in the morning because this is a time expression. As you can see, you can use in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or at night. Maybe you can use also every day or maybe early, no? Okay, for example, another example, you can say maybe, or you can write also, I have lunch in the evening. Or maybe I have a shower at night. Or maybe I have a shower in the morning. And so on. As you can see, it's easy to to do it, right? Okay, my friends, that's it for today. I hope that this video can help you to understand better. You can work also this activity in your book on page 10, right? You can practice by reading your book. Okay, my friend, that's it for today. Let's see you in the next class. Thank you for everything. Don't forget to practice. Don't forget to practice, my friends. You can watch this video as many times as you want to practice, my friends. Don't forget it. Okay, my friends, that's it for today. See you next class. Bye bye, and thank you very much for your attention. Bye.